Let's talk about the homeschool hive at Equip 222 for your newborns all the way through your 6-year-olds. This is fun, hands-on learning. I'm so excited because my first homeschool group I started was for my 18-month-old. I was a very excited, ambitious young mom. Well, I guess I was 30, and gathered a group of women who I still love, and we taught our babies through crafts and story time and singing and dancing and having a snack. And they learned how to be kind with each other. They learned what it means to obey. They learned that learning is fun. And for the older kids, we're getting into, when I mean older, I mean, they show us signs of readiness, but your 3.5-year-olds can start in pre-reading. Your 4-year-olds are probably ready for some pre-reading. And then your 6-year-olds are maybe becoming fluent in reading depending on their abilities. Kids have some natural abilities and advantages, or some of them might be ready for math more than they're ready for reading. So we're going with them and teaching them. This is still a classical method of learning, and the great thing is I've had enough experience with enough different curriculums to have narrowed it down to the ones that really work for them, and methods that work for kinesthetic, auditory, and visual learners. We want you to be able to find your tribe. We're doing this really to also gather moms and dads together who are interested in finding encouragement and training, and we'll pray together. So this will be $300 per semester for those that are 2 years and older. If you have kids that are younger than that, then you could just make a donation to participate with us. You won't require necessarily the same supplies. It depends on your kid. And then that's going to be Tuesdays from 9:30 to noon, September through May. And you can find out more using that QR code on the screen.